Hi Bridget, we are just referencing paragraph 2 of the inspection objection. It is on page 15 of the inspection report. 2.9 sliding doors. Damaged panel brackets will allow movement of the fixed panel and a poor seal to the door frame. So here's our sliding patio door. It wasn't damaged during the hailstorm. It's the door that came with the house. So you see I'm just locking it here. There's a minimal amount of give, but it's not moving. Open the slider there, and it moves back and forth. So we really don't see a problem here. Could do with maybe a little bit of lubrication. Chris, could you just lock the door from the inside for me? Yep. There's the receptacle there. And here's the little hook. So just the typical amount of give you'd expect.